So welcome again to IFSI Principal Talk with one more success story. We have Praveen Mulla today with us, and she is a IFSI student. She has just recently completed her certification with us. तो आज उनसे बात करेंगे and we will know her success story. So welcome Praveen. How are you doing?
Thank you so much, sir, and thank
Nice
you
to
for
have you
inviting me here.
Thank you so much.
Yes, I'm doing very well.
And we would like to know about your success story in fitness industry. So can you introduce yourself, as well as can you tell us about your educational background and what are you doing right now? How did you start into fitness industry?
Yes, sure. I am working out since 2014, and gradually I developed some interest. Like actually, सुरुवातीला I used to do a lot of floor exercises, मतलब group activities I used to do. But slowly and gradually I developed interest in weight trainings. So for seeking knowledge, I thought I should do certification. But at the same time, I was really not confident, because after years going back to studies, I was not really confident. I was not able to come out of my comfort zone. But yes, my kids actually motivated me, Mama, you can do it. So I thought, let's give it a chance. Jeete to bhi acha hai, haar gaye to bhi, it's okay. I'll learn something for sure. So this way, I thought about doing a certification. But yes, my educational qualification, you can say I am a graduate from arts, and I have I had done BA because I wanted to go for psychology. That was the thing. But yes, after getting married and having kids, somewhere I was focused in my personal life. That was the thing. But yes, after that, I was always from sports background.
Correct.
From, since my schooling. So I thought, let's...
Which particular sport?
I was an athlete. I was a runner.
You were a runner?
I was a... Yes.
Okay. And before coming into fitness industry, were you working somewhere else?
I've never been working. I want to tell that I've never been working. And I don't know how I thought about it. And yes, I'm doing
So your approach in fitness industry, or your approach to IFSI Academy, was only to gain knowledge?
Exactly. It was only to gain
It was only to gain knowledge. And then you started as a career. Now, as a career. So now you're training people.
Yes.
Okay, great. That's a nice thing. Why did you choose IFSI Fitness Academy? What was the reason? Where did you hear about IFSI? How did you come to know about IFSI? आपको कहाँ से पता चला? क्या हुआ?
Yes, actually when I was working out on a regular basis, I work out at Solaris Pimpla Saudagar branch. Okay. So obviously, when you work out for years, all the surrounding knows you well. So few trainers who were training there, so they told me कि IFSI, even they had been done certification from IFSI. So they suggested me that IFSI is good, and the teaching quality and the teaching and the understanding process is really easy to understand. Even I went through their notes and something, but really I couldn't understand anything on that basis. Then I thought, yes, many people from fitness industry told me about IFSI. That's why I approached here actually.
Okay, and when you stepped into IFSI, okay, and then when you decided that you should be a student here.
Yes.
Okay, तो उसके बाद आपकी journey कैसी थी? What do you want to say about IFSI? What was your experience? Good experience, bad experience, whatever. What do you feel about IFSI?
Actually, when I thought about stepping here, I thought I'm entering in 40s now. Then I was thinking yes, the other students must be younger to me, and I was having that fear will I be able to do the things, the tasks, to understand the concepts, to understand the scientific base. It was really tough for me. But as I started learning, educating myself, so I thought it was not that difficult. Nothing is impossible. Obviously, if you will.
Yeah, that's a nice thing. In fact, this is also something that we want to know. Since you are from arts.
Yes.
Okay. And this is all about anatomy and kinesiology and physiology.
Right.
So, ये समझने में आपको कुछ तकलीफ हुई?
Not at all. Actually, the staff, the teachers, the faculty members, even even the management and even the teaching staff, they are so good, and the teaching is so effective. It's simplified in very simple language that any branch student can understand for sure.
Okay. And which was your favorite topic मतलब ऐसा कोई टॉपिक था जहाँ पर यू नो इट वाज लाइक अ आई ओपनर, अरे ये मुझे पता नहीं था,
I don't know.
आई एक्चुअली डिडंट नो अबाउट दिस, और
eye-opener-
ये यहाँ पर आने के बाद मैंने ये सीखा यहाँ पर.
I will
So ऐसा
not
कोई
say-
favorite topic?
I will not say eye opener, but yes, anatomy was my favorite because it's vast. It's never ending.
No.
And about you're saying okay, which I didn't like. The topic was biomechanics for sure.
Okay.
But yes, I'm trying to do better in that.
But did you understand the topic? समझ
Yes.
में आया?
समझ में आया जो मुझे समझना चाहिए, वो the things which I want to implement,
हाँ.
उतना समझ में आया for sure, and I didn't go into the details, but surely I want to go. I will go into the details of the bio.
Are you thinking to re-attend that particular lecture? maybe?
Yes, I want to
Definitely.
actually. I'm not taking out time. Actually, it's my fault. It's not that I'm not getting time. I'm not taking out time. But yes,
अच्छा,
I will
but
do that.
आपको पता है ना कि you can attend the lectures. Like
Yes,
it is a
yes.
lifetime you can.
Lifetime we have the-
free you can come and
Right,
attend the
right.
lectures. Right. Okay. What do you love the most about IFSI in last whatever time period? 6 महीने. Okay. कि क्या lectures, demos, practicals?
Sir, I have done theory online. My batch was online.
Okay.
Obviously.
Semi-online. what?
Yeah, it was semi-online. We had practicals and theory online. So most of all, what I liked was when we came for practicals here, we didn't feel like we are coming in some different zone. It was just like my home, my second home, you can say. We had that comfort, and that was the biggest thing actually. I think you don't get it everywhere. People are very professional. People are what to say. I don't know, but people greet here very nicely. They make you feel very comfortable. That is
Okay.
another thing. Yes.
Achha, and now since after completing your course, after getting certified, you told me that people started approaching
Yes.
for personal trainings. Okay, so can you tell us about that? How all these things happened, and how many clients do you have right now? And then, are you training in a gym right now somewhere, or what are you doing?
No, I had never thought about training anyone at gym. I had never thought.
Okay.
Because I had done this for my knowledge, because I'm working out since long time, and I used to think like there are a lot of myths. Everybody knows in fitness industry there are so many myths, like if a woman trains, like she will become muscular and all. So I thought, let's challenge all these things and let's gain scientific based knowledge. That was my main purpose, to do certification, and never thought of implementing it anyways. But yes, as I did certification, I had put status everywhere. So people around me started asking me, will you train us?
Okay.
And they have seen me that I used to work out at my home setups during lockdowns. I have made a setup. I used to work out at my home, and I.
So you have made a proper setup in your house.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And what do you have in that setup? What are the equipments? क्या equipments have?
Yes, I have bench, I have box, I have dumbbells, lot many dumbbells, bars and plates. Yeah, I think.
So basically free weight
Yes, free
exercise. Okay, great. So this was for your exercise,
Right.
for your workouts. और उसके बाद लोगों ने आपको अप्रोच किया looking at the status because you're exercising, and they also came to know that you were certified. Correct है ना?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So then what happened? मतलब after that, how many clients you had, and what was your experience with them? And then whatever that you learned in IFSI, जो भी IFSI में आपने सीखा, क्या वो प्रैक्टिकली आपने अप्लाई किया? क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस आए उनके पास?
श्योर अप्लाई किया, बिकॉज जो नॉलेज हम लोग गेन करते हैं साइंटिफिकली वो यूनिवर्सली सेम है, और कोई भी कुछ भी पूछे, एंड व्हेन यू आर डैम कॉन्फिडेंट एंड यू हैव साइंटिफिक बेस, यू कैन, नोबडी कैन चैलेंज यू फॉर योर नॉलेज. एंड वो कॉन्फिडेंस आया मुझे जब मैंने सर्टिफिकेशन किया. उसके पहले ये हम लोग कतराते थे, पता था बट कुछ किसी ने बोल दिया तो ओके आई चेक, एंड वो हम लोग बोलते थे. अब जब से सर्टिफिकेशन किया है, देन यस वी आर डैम कॉन्फिडेंट, एंड यस वेर एवर यू कैन सर्च, जो है मैंने जो साइंटिफिक है वो वही है. सो ये कॉन्फिडेंस सर्टिफिकेशन से ही आया.
और क्या लोगों ने आपको सवाल किए, मतलब आर दे आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चंस ऑन फिटनेस, एंड हाउ आर यू हैंडलिंग इट? What are you saying?
Yes, they do.
Are you getting the same questions that you have studied here in IFSI? ऐसे questions पूछ रहे
Yeah,
हैं?
a lot many related actually, lot many questions.
Hmm.
But the thing is that कि ये सब questions होते हैं जब ट्रेनी आपके पास अप्रोच करता है स्टार्ट करने के पहले काउंसलिंग जो सेशन होता है, बट वंस दे स्टार्ट गेटिंग रिजल्ट्स दे डोंट हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज दे आर सीइंग द रिजल्ट्स।
बट पहले ये सब क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं।
यस।
अच्छा, और एक चीज मुझे पूछना है, वी हैव अ लेक्चर हियर ऑन काउंसलिंग, ग्रूमिंग ऑफ पर्सनल ट्रेनर, जिसमें हम काउंसलिंग टेक्निक के बारे में बात करते हैं। क्या उसने आपको मदद किया इन कन्विंसिंग योर क्लाइंट्स?
यस, ऑफ कोर्स मदद तो किया, फॉर श्योर मदद किया। तो वही ना कि सर यहाँ का जो स्टाफ है, जो फैकल्टी है, जो लेक्चर्स कंडक्ट हुए हैं, उसमें हमको यही बताया था कि वॉट एवर, बी कॉन्फिडेंट, दिस नॉलेज इज यूनिवर्सल ऑब्वियसली। यस, जो काउंसलिंग सेशन या जो ग्रूमिंग सेशन हुआ उसने हेल्प किया।
हाउ मेनी क्लाइंट्स डू यू हैव राइट नाउ?
आई हैव 11 ट्रेनिंग्स राइट नाउ।
And do you mind telling us your income, monthly income?
Yeah, it's of course 40K plus.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay.
Within I started, like, this is just my 3rd month since I've started training. So yeah, now it is 40K plus.
So guys, within 3 months, 40,000. Not bad at all, yaar. Correct? What do you think about that? आपके घर वालों का क्या reaction?
They're surprised actually because I've always been a housewife. I've never thought, and like I was never that practical. I was like, yes, I will take care of my kids. I will look after my health because I've seen my parents sick.
Oh, okay.
Earlier, obviously, I've seen them sick. So my priority was always being fit, physically, mentally, in every way rather. So yes, somewhere like my family is actually surprised. Yes, they know कि I have good communication skills, but yes, they never thought that I will do certification, I will do trainings, I'll be this confident. Yeah, they are surprised and happy as well, and my kids are damn proud of me for sure.
So your family is very supportive.
Yes.
Right, very nice. It's really great. What are your future plans? What are you thinking to do in future?
Actually
अभी तो आपने सेटअप किया है, नाउ यू आर गेटिंग क्लाइंट्स,
राइट,
बराबर है, तो कुछ आपने सोचना शुरू किया है कि अभी फ्यूचर में मुझे ये करना है, एनीथिंग?
हाँ, मुझे करना है कुछ तो, बट द थिंग इज दैट कि इन लीस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट, जैसे मेरा अभी होम सेटअप है, सो ऑब्वियसली मेरा मिनिमम वहाँ पे इन्वेस्टमेंट है, आई एम गेटिंग मैक्सिमम फ्रॉम दैट। यस, बट इफ आई ऐसे ही सपोर्ट रहा, मुझे ऐसे ही रिजल्ट्स आते रहे क्लाइंट के, तो for sure in future I will think of having my own studio or something like that.
Nice, very nice. मुझे ये भी जानना है कि what do you think about fitness industry? क्योंकि क्या होता है, people have mixed opinions about fitness industry. कुछ लोगों को लगता है फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री में बहुत ही अच्छा करियर है, कुछ लोगों को लगता है फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री में करियर नहीं है, ओके? कुछ लोग बोलते हैं दैट इट इज बूमिंग राइट नाउ, इट इज पिकिंग अप अ लॉट, स्पेशली आफ्टर कोरोना, जो हमने सबने एक्सपीरियंस किया था। और कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि नहीं, फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री में इतना कोई अच्छा करियर नहीं है, ओके? तो आपको व्हाट इज योर पर्सनल ओपिनियन अबाउट फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री? यू वर अ मेंबर, या तो आप एक खुद के लिए आप ट्रेनिंग करते थे, आप खुद वर्कआउट करते थे, अभी आप एक कोच हो, या तो आप एक पर्सनल ट्रेनर हो, अभी तो आप लोगों को ट्रेन करते हो। लोग आपके पास आके अप्रोच करते हैं कि मेरे फिटनेस को आप इम्प्रूव करिए,
राइट?
सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री का क्या फ्यूचर?
आई थिंक फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री इज गोइंग टू ग्रो अ लॉट इन फ्यूचर फॉर श्योर, क्योंकि now people have started thinking differently after corona, especially they are focusing on their health, they have started thinking about health or as priority, not only education, not only their other tasks, and not only financial things, but on priority their health as well. And और जब से अभी ये फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री ग्रो हो रही है एंड पीपल आर गेटिंग सर्टिफाइड, एंड आई थिंक आजकल सभी इंडस्ट्री पहले जैसे रहा नहीं है कि नॉन सर्टिफाइड कोई ट्रेनर खड़ा है। आई डोंट थिंक, आई हैवंट सीन इन माय जिम आल्सो एंड व्हिचएवर आई नो अराउंड। तो पीपल आर गोइंग फॉर सर्टिफिकेशन, पीपल आर गेनिंग नॉलेज, सो आई थिंक दिस इज आफ्टर कोरोना इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू like it's going to have a boom, it won't go reverse.
आपको लगता है सर्टिफिकेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट?
फॉर श्योर, क्योंकि सर्टिफिकेशन है तो you have value, you stand in front of any person of any different kind of field. I have done so many clients, like I have got IT people, lot many actually. I've got working mothers. So initially I used to think ki, oh my god, this lady is like highly qualified and how will I counsel her or how will I transform her or how can I do all these things. But one thing is there, जो मेरा knowledge है वो मेरा knowledge है. They have knowledge but they have from different stream, right?
Correct.
They are working in their field
Correct.
successfully, but they don't know about fitness. They have lots of myths about fitness. So I focus on clearing their myths.
तो जैसे आप एक मिथ बता सकते हो जो आप जनरली फेस करते हो. लेट्स से इफ यू आर ट्रेनिंग अ वुमन 40-year woman, okay, या तो you know what kind of myth they come up with, मतलब क्या ऐसे कौन से क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं वो कि जहाँ पर आपको लगता है कि इनको सच में काउंसलिंग की जरूरत है. ऐसा कोई एक क्वेश्चन जो आपको याद आ रहा हो?
मोस्ट कॉमनली एनी sedentary client will ask you, any female client will ask you is कि मैं वेट ट्रेनिंग करके मर्दों जैसा दिखने लगूंगी क्या? So ये सबसे कॉमन एंड each and every sedentary female client will ask you this question. Then of course हम लोग उनका काउंसलिंग करते हैं and the way we gradually proceed, तो they get all the answers. They don't even need to ask me कि why and what.
Okay,
ये होता है.
आप अपने किड्स को भी are you putting into you know some fitness regime, कोई fitness workout या उनको वो इम्पोर्टेंस आ रहा है? बिकॉज यू आर अ मदर, तो मैंने आपको ये सवाल किया.
यस यस.
तो उनको आर दे इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस कि मैं एक्सरसाइज करूं?
या माय सन प्लेज फुटबॉल, माय डॉटर यूज्ड टू प्ले बास्केटबॉल. तो जनरली दे लव प्लेइंग इंस्टेड ऑफ गेमिंग फॉर आवर्स.
करेक्ट.
दे प्रेफर प्लेइंग इन प्लेग्राउंड.
डू दे आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस ऑन फिटनेस? फिटनेस के बारे में कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं वो?
Yes, कि मम्मा एब्स कैसे बनाएंगे? They ask me, मम्मा एब्स कैसे बनाएंगे? Like train me for abs. तो ये भी एक one of the myths है. Like people ask me कि मुझे एब्स चाहिए and एब्स की ट्रेनिंग करने से एब्स आते हैं क्या?
अच्छा. ये
बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन होता है.
तो ये क्वेश्चन कोर्स में टैकल हुआ है?
ये हुआ था, रोहित सर ने लिया था एक्चुअली.
हाँ.
So of course अभी आंसर पता है, तभी हम लोग कॉन्फिडेंटली नहीं बता पाते थे when I was not a certified person for sure.
Great.
So yes, my kids are also, maybe they're genetically blessed and they have keen interest in any kind of sports activities. ये होता है and they are very proud now and they say yes कि पहले हम बोलते थे कि my mama is housewife but now they like yeah my mama is fitness coach. They feel proud. They are damn proud. Yes.
Nice, very nice. What is your advice for all those who want to enter fitness industry, the upcoming पर्सनल ट्रेनर्स और फिटनेस प्रोफेशनल्स? तो यू नो मैं ये सवाल इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ क्योंकि वो लोग आते हैं, वो लोग रिसर्च करते हैं अलग अलग एकेडमीज के बारे में एंड देन यू नो उनको वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि आई शुड जॉइन दिस एकेडमी या दैट एकेडमी. तो व्हाट इज योर एडवाइस टू देम कि वो जब एकेडमी सिलेक्ट करे, फिटनेस एकेडमी सिलेक्ट करे, तो उन्होंने क्या देखना चाहिए? ओके. और आपका रिकमेंडेशन क्या है?
ओके. 35 around 35 I was, तभी मैंने सोचा था कि I want to do certification but I couldn't come out of my comfort zone. I was having lot of fear to come out of this comfort zone and do something like this. But yes, take your decisions, take it as soon as possible and do certifications. Of course from a reputed institutes and IFSI के बारे में कहना है तो yes, it's my personal experience and many like me have done certification from IFSI and since I think अभी 6+ months हो गए that I have been certified. But I think कि जो एक बार सिखा दिया है हमको, we haven't forgotten for sure. So this is it कि they insert like deeply वो rooted हो गया हम में. So I would suggest कि IFSI is best according to me.
Thank you so much. आपने अभी एक mention किया when you were 35, तो ये कभी था?
This was 5-6 years. Yeah, 5-6 years. 5 years earlier.
Okay, guys, listen to this. 35 before 5 years. Okay, so definitely आप अंदाजा लगा लीजिए what is the age and look at her. This is what we call anti-aging effect. जो हम लोग शायद कोर्स में भी हम लोग बताते हैं कि about the anti-aging effect that you should weight train. Okay, everybody should weight train, everyone should exercise and follow a proper diet. So anti-aging effect. So that's a great thing. And so Parveen, it was very nice to talk to you, and all the best to you for your future.
Thank you
And
so
definitely whatever clients that you have right now, हम definitely we are hoping that वो बहुत ज़्यादा आगे जाए, बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़े, okay? And when you're more successful, we would again like to have one more interview here.
Definitely,
Right?
definitely.
So it was really
Thank
nice
you so
talking.
much for inviting me here. Even I would love to come again and again. Thank you so much.
Same. So this was a success story of Parveen Mulla, who is one of our student, IFSI student, and it was a very nice interview. I hope you all have enjoyed the interview. So see you with one more success story next time. Till then, stay tuned.